Hello friends, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Our today's recipe is tuna cutlets. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Let's get started by first preparing the green paste. For this we need coriander, ginger, garlic, some cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We need to grind this paste with vinegar. You can add in little amount of water if required. Once our paste is ready, let's prepare the mixture. We have taken tuna flakes and drained it well. To this now we add in the chopped onion along with the chopped green chilies. We mix it well and then we add in the green paste. Give it a good mix. Add in some salt. And lastly we add in the egg. Mix it well and here's our mixture ready. Now we need to roll out cutlets of it. We do this by taking a small ball of the mixture and we flatten it with the help of our palm. Once our cutlets are ready, we need to dip them in semolina or breadcrumbs. Now let's shallow fry them. Fry them well on both sides till they are nice and golden. And here are our tuna cutlets ready.